everyone. Good evening, all of you present here. Respected Smita Ben, our respected teachers, esteemed alumni, and other dear friends. It is with immense pleasure and pride that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to the Platinum Jubilee celebration of our beloved Udhyachal School. Zordar Taliyan, it's the Platinum Jubilee celebration. As we gather here today to commemorate 70 glorious years of excellence in education, we honor the legacy of our institution and the numerous individuals who have contributed to its growth and success. To our beloved Godrej family, your leadership and vision have been instrumental in shaping the school's journey. As Y.B. Yeats once said, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. And that is what the Godrej family did. Lit a fire to us to learn, to grow and excel when they set up Udhyachal School. Smita Ben, we are blessed and honored to have you with us this evening. Thank you for your support and tireless efforts that have rightfully earned our school the reputation of being amongst the best in the country. Udhyachal School is amongst the best in the country. Let us take a moment here to remember our founder and guiding light, Mrs. C.J. Vakil, our very own auntie, who laid the foundation of excellence in education and learning, on which our amazing institution now proudly stands. To all our respected teachers, both past and present, your dedication and passion have left an incredible mark on our lives, helping to shape our values, our belief systems, and exposing us to a world beyond textbooks. We are grateful for your guidance, patience, and love through our school years. In fact, it is an amazing bond we share with our teachers, one that still keeps us connected with them so many years after passing out. To our distinguished alumni, we are thrilled to have you back on this home ground, sharing your experiences and insights with us. Your achievements are a testament to the strong foundation. As we celebrate this milestone, we also look forward to the future, inspired by the values and principles that have made our school a beacon of excellence. Let us come together to cherish our shared memories, forge new connections, and create a brighter future for generations to come. So welcome Udhyachal family to this momentous occasion. Let us together make it an evening we will cherish and remember for a long time. Thank you. Now like to welcome Smita Ben. Manish will welcome Smita Ben. Big round of applause for Smita Ben. We would welcome Rekha ma'am. Amit would welcome Rekha ma'am. Big round of applause for Rekha ma'am. We would like to welcome Priya ma'am. Vaishnavi will welcome Priya ma'am. Big round of applause for Priya ma'am. Our very own Jaina ma'am. Big round of applause. Priya ma'am, Rekha ma'am. And who else? Or gone? For lighting of the lamp. On stage for lighting of the lamp. If you all remember, we all started our events with lighting of the lamp. Let's welcome all of them with a big round of applause. batchmates. Teachers love us. Even today, our teachers love us. We all are their favorites. All the batches are their favorites. All the students are their favorites. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you so much. We are blessed to have you all over here. Okay, can we please have two students from 1994 batch? Quickly. Two students from 1994 batch. Quickly. Just stand up. Oh my. 1994 batch. Other batches. कौन से batches? Loudest batch out here. Loudest batch. 2000. चलो खड़े हो जाओ. Your good name.
Praveen.
Praveen from batch 2000 batch, the loudest batch. Oh, Praveen has come all the way from UK. Well, Praveen, Udyachal for you is.
It's my dream come true. We're feeling very nostalgic, and I've come to Bombay after nearly 25 years. So, feeling at home. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, the next loudest batch. Next. 84 एक ही आप बोल रहे हो. 84 एक ही बोल रहे हो. 93. I can't hear. Loudest batch. 93. Come on, Shilpa. Hi. Okay. So, how does it feel being here today? Usha, Shilpa, how does it feel being here today?
We both will speak.
It feels lovely. Back home.
Yeah. It's like the 93 batch, most of it and most of all are here. And fortunately, my family also is here. Most of them from Udyachal. So it feels great.
Thank you. So we'll go ahead with the programs and then I'll come on and off out here. We have Smita to say a few words for us. She's flown all the way from Australia. Thank you so much, teacher. Please come. Big round of applause for Maria, teacher.
Dear Smita Ben, Godrej, guests, fellow teachers, and students. It is my pleasure to attend the 6th reunion and gathering to celebrate 70 years of Udyachal schools. I joined Udyachal Primary School in 1966 before my daughter Jaya was born. Jaya is here with me today to celebrate this event. I worked at the primary school. From 1966 to my retirement in 2000. It was a great joy and pleasure to teach in the school, as the number of students in each class was just 25. Over the years, I taught English as a second language, handwork teacher, and physical educator. I also enjoyed staying in the colony with my family. My daughters studied in the school, my kindergarten to year 10. I have many fond memories of my fellow teachers, my students, and the facilities I enjoyed. I have come from Perth, Western Australia, with my daughter Jaya Dantis. I have lived 22 years in Perth and also worked there as a Montessori teacher. I thank Manish, Santosh, and the team for organizing this wonderful event. I wish everyone gathered here all the very best. It is my hope that the school continues for another 70 years.
Yay! Thank you so much, teacher. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'll just say one line. I just wanted to say that my name is Jaya Dantis and I'm from the 1982 batch. Mum and I just arrived from Australia 2 days ago. It's a long journey from Perth to KL to Mumbai. But my foundations are here. Mom started working in the school when she was pregnant with me. And I did kindergarten to year 10. But now I'm a professor and dean at a university in Western Australia. But this is my journey and these are my roots. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're really enlightened. 1966 to 2000 has been a long journey, Maria teacher. 1966 to 2000. Thank you so much, Maria teacher. We move on with the next event, that is pre-primary, primary and high school students will be giving a performance. Let's all enjoy the musical journey by the pre-primary, primary and high school students. 1967 till 2020, all the batches are here, out. Although one student from each batch, but we have students from 1967 till the 2020 batch. Each one has performed on the stage someday or the other. We all have performed on the stage similarly. Okay, so to take the event ahead, I would request Smita ma'am to please come on stage. Big round of applause for Smita ma'am.
Really wonderful to see so many teachers and students who have come from all around the world for our 70th celebration. I can imagine how much work the alumni has put in to get everybody together. It's not easy to organize this. And it's particularly special that we are here celebrating in Udyachal. So many memories flooding into everyone's psyche. And if you could, I think they're too excited. No. They're all talking over there. Everyone excited to meet everybody, I know. So I won't take very long.
Hello.
But I just want to say that the alumni... Huh? It's okay. If the alumni could write down your memories of the time spent here in Udyachal with teachers, your times, what you did, it would be a wonderful repository for our archives and for future generations to actually read and see where we started from and where we are today. Thank you to our music teachers, our students, for bringing nostalgia to us today through their wonderful singing. A big round of applause. I don't know, have the children gone? They're there. Hearing these songs, I am reminded so much of our dear Pinu Bhai, Pinakin Trivedi, who wrote our school song. He was my Sanskrit teacher and a true scholar and a wonderful human being. And we remember Madhuri Ben, who also used to sing so beautifully, Sri Joglekar, and of course Tanuja, who has recently retired. So many other wonderful teachers over the years to make Udyachal what it is today. From 70 years to today, it's been a journey of dedication, passion, and love by our teachers and our students, and who have achieved milestones difficult to imagine. As you know, the journey began with a handful of students in the Betta quarters who were fed, clothed, and taught, and today we are about 2,500 strong. Over the years, so many have come to me mentioning how the benefits of family planning, where the third child was not enrolled, and how that has helped them in so many ways. And so many who said they never dreamed that their children would attend the kind of colleges they have got admission to. So many whose children have gone overseas and those in India and done extremely well. and almost all have mentioned how the creative arts and value-based education have helped them in their professions. When my parents, Sunnu and Naval Godrej, started the school at the behest of my grandfather, Pirosha, and Mrs. Kuvarbai Vakil, or Auntie as she was lovingly called, laid the foundation of our school, having studied at Shantiniketan. Their vision and dedication and great desire to give every student an opportunity, no matter what their social status, has paid tremendous dividends today. I'm going to cut short my talk because I know everyone's busy chatting away. So all I want to say is I'm really happy that you're all here, and enjoy the evening, and I won't keep you from the evening.
Big round of applause for Smita ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Smita ma'am. We have an audio visual playing. All the Udyachal batches assembled here, please requesting patience and discipline for some time. for all of us for the evening. Thank you so much. Wonderful children. You all have been so sweet. Big round of applause for Christine Fernandez, teacher. How many days did it take for the outcome for this beautiful 1 month?
A month.
So our children are still very brilliant, and they are good performers, great performers. Thank you all our little children. Thank you so much, Christine teacher.